Is your beat feeling a little boring? A little flat? Chances are it's not because it's missing something. It's because it's saying too much. See, when professional producers get stuck, they don't add more sounds. They start taking them away. When too many layers compete for the same space, you lose all the impact, energy, and bounce. So, here's a trick. Try muting some elements, especially during the verses. Fewer sounds make the listener lean in, waiting for what's next. Mute the kick drum right before the hook hits. That tiny moment of silence makes the drop feel absolutely massive. Want to build even more tension? Delay the drop by one extra bar. Your brain craves that release. Music is all about contrast. Loud only feels loud when there's quiet. So next time your beat feels boring, don't add another sound. Take one away and let your music breathe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Wild One Studios for more tips.